Under, 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 under. Watch deep, watch deep. Fire, Mo, pick a man, pick one.
Now you gotta reset if you need. Yep.
Roll those, roll those.
Inside, inside. Inside. There we go. There we go.
Oh no, no. Oh god, no. Oh, you go to the gym. Yeah. Oh, you're on that team.
Wait, what grade are you in?
I'll just see you.
Hell yeah, redemption arc.
Is the break up there?
Yikes. That's unlucky.
Yeah. Is the brick actually up here?
I don't think so. I don't think that's the brick. That's just where it went out of bounds.
Oh, really? It went out of bounds that high?
I don't know. Like, I don't know. Why would he go to the brick?
I'm not trying to walk around that.
No big, no big, no big, no big, no big.
Hey! Around. Seal. Nice, man. It's all inside. All inside. Around.
Yes, good job.
It's good.
Nice save.
No swing. Too far, John. There you go. Nice, cut. Sick. Good call. I hope he hears.
Don't get beat to this toe.
No, that's not what we're talking about. We'll tell you later. Turn, let's go.
I think it's stall.
Uncontested stall. Up!
Hey, get there. Hey, you got it.
Oh, so close.
Almost.
Wow, that was actually.
Yeah, I mean.
Away!
I don't know.
Good.
Mo, get back in the.
Get back in the stack.
Reset!
Risky, man.
Action, nice.
Cut!
Nice, Josh.
All right.
Good day.
Hey, we
Nice, George.
Okay, George. Okay, George.
He's so big!
Chili. Sander, now.
He decided to play this game.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna comment on that.
Yeah,
Right hand.
it's fine.
Right hand.
But George is cooking. Throw it.
Bro, cooking meth.
All on camera. Both are white.
Call an end zone!
Okay, you got your
Call an end zone!
Call an ISO.
Pick 3!
Carter, move.
Pick 3!
Oh, that sucks.
I'm gonna get my hair.
No big, no big,
No
no
big.
big, no big.
Not coming. Not coming. Okay, that's fine. I'm cool with that.
Inside.
No big.
Bro, so fucking dumb. Kind of like Jalen Ramsey, dog. But our defender's looking like Jalen Ramsey on Thursday night. Just burnt every time.
Why didn't they pick 3 in the end zone? That is our only end zone set. It is so easy. So easy to pick 3.
When you're on JV, you remember.
I mean, they literally got an open cut and an open throw and an open catch.
To be fair, Carter cut to the front corner and then just stood there for like 3 seconds.
Yes, that
Is it
was.
recording?
It is rolling.
Yeah, I stand by what I said.
That's why we put. That's why we bump music over the highlight reels.
Okay.
Get there, George.
What?
George has been saving. George has been scooping discs out of the dirt all day, though.
Yeah.
Like honestly.
I'm not mad he didn't do it.
No, it's fine.
Wow, and our force, we're so inconsistent with our force. That's like such an easy thing.
All the way, all the way, all the way.
Still away. It's
Upline, upline, upline.
Bro, we're looking like Jalen Ramsey, dog. Getting cooked.
Touched pull.
It's all good. The guy throwing the disc because he got excited. Nice, Mo.
Good stack, good swing. Back in the stack, guys, back in the stack.
There we go, boys.
Up.
Around.
Up, hammer.
Upline. Inside.
No round.
Uncontested stall. It's a turnover. He stalled out.
Oh.
Come on, HB, take it back.
Piece of.
Come on, HB!
Nice. That was really good, Abe. That's it.
Let's go. Left hand, Owen. Yeah, good. Around. Up.
Nice.
Let's go, HB. Up.
Good play.
Left hand again. Up.
Good.
Nice. Left hand buyers. All around.
You got it.
Nice, push. Force and hold!
Up line. Hey, we're away, we're away.
Yeah, John.
It befuddles me that we haven't scored a point yet. It befuddles me. Like, we're not about to get bageled by this team.
No, we're not.
Yeah. I mean, there's a few points that we should have.
Oh.
Bro. I can't even complete an underpass. A force line underpass off the pole.
He fell over and died.
Yeah, but the throw was the problem.
I mean, the throw was fine.
Bro, no, it wasn't. He could not have gotten that.
I mean, it was too deep, but
was
he
so
also
high.
fell over.
Ben could not.
Up! Big, 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 big!
Ah, big! Hot Josh! Quick!
Watch a swing, watch a swing!
Quick! George hot!
David? Oh my gosh, good job, David. See it, D-line. Oh, Matias! Matias!
I would say we're playing worse than yesterday. Hit it! Oh!
I like the look, Abe.
Abe's gonna be kicking himself for that. He's been hitting that all day. Under.
Where the cap is Modi? Oh, is he going? Modi's out.
Modi, are you out for the game?
Up! Modi! More body! More body!
This is just as much of a goof tournament as fall fling.
It is. If not more.
Sure. I think Wesley would love that.
Yeah, man. Bro.
Tight, Bailey!
Please.
You're hot, Bailey! Good. Tight on it, Bailey! No round!
Yes, Abe.
Bailey, flash, no man!
Up!
Please, Josh.
I like the look, Abe.
He's not feeling it.
I'll give him a point off.
Yeah, that's fine. Hey, Sander! That's the kind of thing if you're No, go fish! Go fish! Hey, bring it in. Got me 10? Yeah.
Oh, we got exactly one pack.
Can I have him? Yeah. Guys!
We're doing pretty good for one pack. For one practice in the ring.
Up! No big, no big, no big, no big! No big! No big!
Run, Drew! Get on him, get on him!
No big!
Back.
Good mark, Drew. Around. Forces away.
Right out, Bailey.
Good, Ansem. Other force. Zach, forces away.
Lord have mercy.
Michael, go, Michael!
BCU has better pullers! Yeah, I'm not!
Good.
Here we go, Flood! Here we go, Flood! Here we go, Flood!
Look at Jer.
Good.
Nice fire. Outside right.
Reset is there.
Right.
Good, Zach.
Good,
That's
continue.
Zach.
Look reset. Oh. Get there! He's there.
Nice, George. Nice, Dave. Nice, Zach. Clear.
Pick 3!
Go nice-o. Ben, Zach, and Abe.
Ben!
Zach, and
Wait, no, not, that's... All right. Ben, Zach, Abe!
Abe, Ben.
Abe, Ben, Zach! No!
Not again, bro.
Clap, catch, drop.
That's like the first time. No, you should be on this play. You didn't call me. No, I think it's just I did. I definitely did call you.
A clap, catch, drop.
Abe went on, but he shouldn't have.
We-
Oh, I see. Abe really wants this. He's gonna say.
No big, no big, no big, no big, no big.
Go big!
Bro, he's completely host. But this guy was just like completely open.
Go, Alex, go!
I didn't know what to go, come on.
Okay.
I don't know, it just feels like
Castle it real quick. Good.
Nice.
No. Ah!
Yeah, Josh!
Box.
Alright, this is last point, right? At this game.
Yeah. Yeah, Bailey.
Stay tight, Michael.
Swing! You have Ansem. Nice timing, Ansem.
No break. Go. Someone go deep.
Nice, Gael.
Okay.
Patience.
Oh my God, chill out. Please relax.
Too ambitious.
Good effort, 27!
Oh, yeah, man. Actually, I'll come back here. Relax. Yeah, sounds cool. It just don't make sense. And the picture looks great. Actually, I got your speed. I have the one. Where do you want? Yeah.
Sorry.